Hello, let's continue with the second video dedicated to the administration area. In this video, I will show you everything related to the questions. What are the categories and how to create them and handle all those questions created, whether or not they are answered. To do this, you must select questions from the side menu and you will be presented with two options, question and category. Let's start by category since the questions that are created must be included within one of them. By selecting category, you will be shown all the categories created so far. Before continuing with the rest, you should know what two types of categories exist. There is the parent category and the child category. The parent categories are the large groups from which other subgroups can come. These subgroups are the child categories. They are used for more specific questions. We at Zapiens have the parent category of product with its child category technical questions. Another data that the category page shows us is whether it is restricted or not. A restricted category only allows certain people to access them. If you select a category that already exists in your organization, the page will open for editing. Here, you can modify its name, decide if it's a restricted category or not, select its parent category, or indicate if there's a similar category. It also shows you the number of questions included in that category or who the administrators and experts are. To create a category, you must select the button Create Category and fill in the information that it indicates. Now let's move on to the questions. When you select question, you will be shown the list of all those that are created, whether or not they are answered. You will be indicated in what category they are included, who has created it, its creation date, the state it is in, and if it contains any pill. Selecting one of them will show you the editing menu. From here, you can modify any of the values or change the correct answer of that question. To create one, you must select the Create Question button. From the creation screen, you must indicate in which category of the organization you will include it. In question, you will write the question itself. If you want to add a multimedia file, you must click on Browse File to upload it to the web. Then, if you want the answers to be disordered and not always shown in the same position, in Shuffle, you will select the option Yes. In Answers, you will add the different options, indicating which one is the correct on the button on the left. And in this way, we are creating all those questions that will be included in the training that is done in your organization. But before showing you how they are created, you must see the users. See you in the next video to talk about them.